Okay, so when you first come in, there's these two doors. Ta-da! So this is a washer. And this is a dryer. I don't know how to open this. Dryer! So that's the first. And there's another light. And this is the shoe room. So this is for coats. Okay. So we have shoes and we have coats. And this is mine. This is gonna be my bedroom. And I love it. I love it. This is not the biggest bedroom. It's definitely the smallest. But I like my bedroom to be really cozy and quaint. And then this is just a closet. I don't know what I'm gonna put in here really besides books, but I'll figure it out. Definitely perfect for books though. Right? Oh my gosh. And then this is going to be my, what is it called? Guest bathroom?
Yeah.
This is gonna be the bathroom, and I love it. I love that it has a tub. And then this is the view. This is the living room. Not the living room, what am I saying? The living room. This is the kitchen area. Ignore my bag. And I love it. It has all the necessities. Right here, there is a dishwasher. And it's all by the same brand, whatever brand that is. We have a dishwasher, a very deep sink. This will be the least used thing, probably. And then, yeah, we have a fridge. We have a microwave up here. More storage out. This is the second room, and it's going to be my closet. And we have more closet in the closet. So this is, I don't know what I'm going to do with any of this stuff. And then this is another closet. Wow! And then right in the closet is a bathroom with a shower. And this is gonna just be like my personal bathroom where I get ready. So it makes sense, you know? And yes, so that is it. Thank you guys so much. I love these colors too. I think it is cute. It's very cute. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Yes.